Hi all. So today we will see why we require virtual functions and how to implement virtual functions in C++. Okay. So first of all we will define one class. Let's say class A. Okay. In class A we will define one public function. Okay. Let's say void fun. In that function we will just see out the class name. Okay. Nothing else. Class A. Now another class we will define, class B, which is inherited from class A publicly. Okay. In the class B also we will do same thing. We will define one public function which will just see out the class name. Okay. Now in the main function what we will do is we will define one pointer of class A and one object of class A and one object of class B also. Okay. Now what we'll do is in the pointer we will give the reference of object of class A and we will call the function that is present in class A. Okay. Now again we will give the reference of object of class B. Okay. And we will call the function which is present in class B. Right. Now let's compile this code. Okay. So the problem you can see here is both time it is calling the function which is present in class A, which is wrong, right? Why it is calling that? Because uh, while early stage binding, right, or we can say early binding, compiler will see the type of pointer. Okay, means which type of pointer it is of class A, right? So it will always call the function which is present in class A first. Now if we want to avoid this, what we can do is we can write the virtual function. Okay. Now while in the early binding stage, compiler will see the type of object that is given in the pointer, not the pointer type. Okay, I will repeat. Now in the early binding stage, compiler will see the type of object we are giving to the pointer, not the type of pointer. Okay, let's compile this code. Yeah, see, now we can see compiler is calling the function A that is present in class A, and after that function that is present in class B. This is why we use virtual functions. Thank you.